How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Art of Everything. I'm Frank, and we're back at it again with another video. And scene is a little bit different. I'm actually waiting for something to be done in my house, but I did go out. I had to go see my doctor and stuff. And while I was out, I was thinking maybe I should get something and possibly do a review. So I ended up going out and purchasing an iPhone 12. I was trying to get my hands on 12 Pro, but they didn't have it. It didn't matter. I ended up getting the 128 gig just because 64 gigs is really nothing anymore. Like, apps take up so much space, photos, videos, and things like that. So I decided to go with blue just to change it up a little bit. And I was planning to do a whole entire unboxing video and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that. And the reason why I'm not going to do that is because, do you not see how slim this package is? Like, look at how slim this package is. As a matter of fact, I have another product that I am planning to unbox as well. It's an inexpensive tablet, but just to give you an idea of thickness, this is the box. Just look at how small this box is. And we all know why. It's because you no longer get headphones, you no longer get a charging brick included, and it kind of sucks because it's lightning into Type-C, and to be honest with you, it sucks because a lot of people may not have it. As a matter of fact, I didn't even have that type of charging brick, but thank God I got the V60, and that charging brick actually does fast charging and is connection to Type-C. So, sorry Apple, I won't be purchasing a Type-C brick from you guys all. Outside of that, I'm very, very excited to unbox this phone. I'm not an Apple fanboy. I was actually working on a video, recorded the whole entire video, and didn't like the quality. So, like, this quality isn't the best, but I mean, that day was just terrible. I mean, terrible. It was dark. I had some lights, but it didn't do well. And then I was using a camera on my inexpensive DSLR camera, which you've seen that I used in the last video. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go check it out. So I decided for video, I'm just going to use my V60. So I got this phone in. I'm not going to do a complete unboxing. This is going to be a quick unboxing because I really do want to set it up. I'm like a kid at a candy store. No, not because it's Apple. Just because I like having new phones. I like unboxing new phones. As a matter of fact, what person doesn't buy something and just immediately wants to open it? So, we're just going to do that real quick here. And clearly you have the pull tab here, as you always have. We're just going to slightly... Oh, yeah. I do like how the plastic on this works. And like I said, the box is tiny. I mean, super tiny. You get that little detail feel when you're feeling on the box. It's pretty much, it pops out. iPhone, you have it shimmer, with the blue. I heard they expected this blue to be a little bit lighter, or it was supposed to look a little bit darker, but it's actually really light. I didn't care. I didn't want to go with black. Black is very common nowadays, and I just wanted something with color. I seen the red. I normally go for the red one, but it looks more on the pinkish side. And I had a iPhone 8 product red, and it was a beautiful deep red. And seeing all the reviews and photos, the product red iPhone 12 didn't look anything like that. So I decided to just go straight blue. Thought about doing white, but I think blue would be better. And sorry for all the background noise. If you hear it, I'm actually using bokeh voice on the V60 with the front-facing camera, just because, like I said, this is a quick video. This isn't, I'm not set up. I'm just killing time at this point. So let's go ahead and open it up, and you get that little feel. And actually, this box opened a lot faster. Box actually opens a lot faster, maybe because it's smaller, but normally you get that like nice persistent, you know, like feel. But oh my god, like I guarantee you a lot of people probably didn't even talk about that. So the unboxing experience isn't like all right. Oh, I actually like this blue. It's a really nice blue. It's a royal blue. I like it. I wish it was the matte finish 12 Pro. Like I said, I was thinking about doing the 12 Pro, but I didn't. And this time we actually have this instead of regular plastic, which I don't get the purpose. Well, it's paper, I guess. And here we go. Nice peel. Still not the same satisfaction as the plastic. I'm just going to put this aside real quick. And in the box, literally in the box, people, in the box, Lightning to USB-C, which the video that I was making was about how this, to me personally, isn't an environmental thing that they're doing. I honestly, personally believe that they're doing it financially. It's a financial reason why they took out the headphones and the charging brick. I think it's more for business and more for income and profit and stuff like that. And they're Apple, so they can do whatever it is that they want to do. I've seen the numbers, and there's a lot of questions I have when it comes to not bringing in the brick, especially knowing that you're doing a Lightning to Type-C connection instead of just doing a Lightning to USB-A, which mostly everybody has it unless you had the last models, which was the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Because to be honest, I haven't had an iPhone in 2 years. So it's one of those things that not everybody has a Type-C power brick. So that kind of upsetted me a lot. And the way I look at it is, if you have to buy it separately anyways, you're still shipping a lot more stuff. You're still throwing away a lot more stuff because people aren't going to want to keep their old charging brick. They're going to toss it out anyways. So that's just my view of it. And I know a lot of people are going to be complaining about it, and people are going to sit there and be like, well, if you don't have the money, you shouldn't get it. It isn't about not having the money, because honestly, I can't pay for this outright. Most of us are going to finance it, you know. And to be honest with you, when you're financing something like this at, you know, whatever price point, you're expecting a phone to actually come with its necessity, so you can operate it and use it at any given moment. So, you know, not having a block with it or headphones with it, like for example, if I didn't have Bluetooth headphones, I wouldn't be able to listen to music. Thank God I still got Type-C earpods laying around there, because my wife has an iPhone 11 as well as my old headphones that I had with my iPhone 8. But let's say I got rid of the whole entire thing, then I would be left with no headphones, especially at this price point, because like I said, I got the 128. I didn't get the 64 gigs, and I know it's basically the same price as, nearly the same price as the Pro. They didn't have the Pro. I was eager. An iPhone is an iPhone. Yeah, you have different features for the Pro model. You get the telephoto lens, and you're going to get Pro RAW and all this stuff. Honestly, I think that's all a gimmick for now. I think that's going to be for the Pro series for now, but eventually I believe they're going to do Pro RAW on the older models. I just think that would be the right thing. I think it's just Apple doing that for now, just to get people to buy the more expensive ones. But eventually, you know, I think they're going to roll it over to all the other iPhones. With that being said, this is probably the smallest, shortest unboxing you've seen. So, yeah, that'll be all. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a review. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas or anything like that, or tell me what you think about the unboxing or just the phone in general, leave it down in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I promise this channel has a little bit of everything. I'm more into tech, but I'm not going to change the title of my channel just because, like I said, I do love doing a little bit of everything. So with that being said, till next time,